In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message in Wrike. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you communicate effectively in your collaborative workspace. Let's start by opening up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or whichever one you feel most comfortable using. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar and type in Wrike. Simply hit Enter, and the search results will load, leading you directly to Wrike's website. When you arrive at Wrike's homepage, you'll see two main options: Log in or Try Wrike for free. If you already have an account, click Log in to access your workspace. If you're new to Wrike or just exploring your options, click Try Wrike for free to get started with a trial account. After you've logged in or begun your trial, you'll need to navigate to the specific task, project, or folder where you want your message to be seen. This is important because placing your message in the right context ensures it reaches the appropriate team members and is aligned with the ongoing work. Once you are in the right location, scan for the description section. Here, you'll find a field labeled Add a Comment. This is your blank canvas to start crafting your message. Whether it's a question, a critical update, or just general feedback, this is where you'll start typing. While writing your message, you can harness the power of direct notifications by using the @ symbol. Type the @ symbol followed by a person's name or a team name that you'd like to notify. This ensures that your comment grabs the attention of the intended recipient or group, making communication more pointed and effective. Now, you don't have to just rely on plain text. Wrike offers formatting options to enhance your message's readability. This could include bolding important points or numbering items in a list, adding clarity and emphasis to your communication. Finally, after you've crafted your message and polished it with formatting options, it's time to send it off. You can either click the Send button or simply press Enter on your keyboard. And just like that, your message is delivered. That's all it takes to send a message in Wrike. By following these steps, you can ensure that your communication is efficient, targeted, and easily understood by your team. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and feel free to review any section if you need a quick reminder on how to utilize this feature in Wrike effectively. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips on mastering Wrike.